Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Pro when it comes out on release day, any color you want. So before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because once we reach 7,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $100. All right, we're almost there. So come on, man, help a brother out. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys what you need to do in order to get the iPhone 16. Little tips and tricks for you guys. So if you don't know, Apple did announce their event on September 9th. It's coming up here shortly, and they're going to be talking about their new iPhone 16s. I'm assuming some Apple Watches, and I'm also assuming some AirPods. That being said, if you want to get your hands on a certain color of the iPhone 16 or even 16 Pro, here is what I would suggest that you do. First, obviously you probably want to have a carrier, otherwise you can purchase the iPhone directly through Apple. Usually when Apple announces their phones, they usually release the pre-order day that Friday. So if they announce it Tuesday or Monday, you'll be able to pre-order the phone that Friday. Okay, so when Friday comes, I highly suggest pre-ordering the phone that day. If you're not able to afford that right now, if you don't have it, or whatever the case may be, whatever the situation is, I would say as long as you order it by Monday, so you could even pre-order it Saturday or Sunday, you should be good to get whatever color you like. So like, for example, there's going to be a new color in the Pro, and there's going to be a new color in the 16 that everybody's going to want. That's going to have longer shipping time. So if you want to cut the shipping times down, pre-order it the day that they announce that you can pre-order it. Maybe a couple days after that, you'll still be in the loop to get your phone on release day. But that's the best way to get it. Now, if you want the typical colors like black, white, whatever the most basic colors are, you'll be able to usually get those in store, and usually it's black and white. And coming from a person that works in the phone industry, I'm telling you, the black and white ones will be available in store easily. That's really the main trick, is just pre-order it when they announce it. You'll be able to get whatever color you like. Personally, if it is the brown one, I'm going to go for the brown one. I need the brown one. I just think that one fits. I love the brown color. So, or copper or whatever. It looks brown, but I don't think it's going to be like brown. I think it'll be more like copper or something like that. But really nice. I need that. So hopefully that's what it is in the Pro. But let me guys know, which iPhone 16 are you guys picking up? Because I'm going for the 16 Pro. And I'm also trying to see if there's an Ultra Watch 3. So hopefully there's an Ultra Watch 3. All right. Let me know in the comment box down below. And also don't forget, subscribe up. Once we reach 7,000 subscribers, we will give away $100. All right. If you don't know, I started an academy called Hustlepedia. It is absolutely free. In the description box down below, you will see that. Join up. It's free information, just free game, giving you instructions on training and just multiple different things. Stuff to make money off of, side hustles, a little bit of gambling in there if you like to get into that. But yeah, it's a really cool place. It's free. It's literally open to the public. We want anybody to join and give some free games. Just be very respectful. All right. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Like this video. And I'm out.